For website creation, you have to search stunning.so on Google. We have to visit the first website which says ChatGPT website builder, generate websites including copy and images in 30 seconds. It has the same interface like ChatGPT. We have to give a command and it will work on the information we give. So today I'm creating an online portfolio website for a professional photographer. Now we have to give some answers. Does your industry look correct? I'll type yes. For your business name, you can choose the name. I'll choose a random name. After that, provide an email address. I will use any random email for this tutorial. Select a website design that you feel is good. I'm choosing the second one and click on the generate. Now we have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds. It will arrange the information you provided and generate an online portfolio website. Now the website is ready. Click OK. I will give you a preview of the website. This is the home page of the website. In this section, you can use your shoots and photos to showcase your work. After that, in this section, you can put some of your client reviews. And in this section, you can upload your team profiles, their images, etc. After that, we have frequent answer question section. And the last page is about us. You can edit these things and put your information like email, address, etc. Now let me show you how you can customize this website. When you click on the section, you get these options. For last one is for customization. I'll upload a picture to the website to show you how it works. Choose the file you want to upload and click on upload image. Like these, you can customize every section, text and image. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.